Simple and perfect for a nature-filled reel. A fun way to show off how beautiful the environment is. Rooted in green, flourishing in life. Be a leaf in the power of green, turning over a new leaf. Green is the heartbeat of the world. It shows how life keeps moving and growing, no matter what. This color is known to bring peace and calm to our busy lives, helping us feel steady again. In many cultures, green represents good luck and a bright, blooming future. Let the green vibes rejuvenate your soul. Greenery is the ultimate therapy for my eyes. All good things are wild and free. In love with great outdoors. By discovering nature, you discover yourself. Embrace the beauty of nature with shades of green. Nature is my sanctuary.